Okay, the Gettysburg Address given by Abraham Lincoln was just 272 words and was 2 minutes, 17 seconds long. In comparison, Martin Luther King Jr. gave his I Have a Dream speech in 17 minutes, and it contained 1,667 words. How many more seconds did King's speech last than Lincoln's? Okay, so when I look at the question and it's asking me for seconds, what is the information that I can immediately take out of there? Penelope?
The minutes.
No, not the minutes. That's a time. So I need all the times. Penelope?
Words.
Yeah, I can take out 272 words and 1,667 words. I do not need to be concerned with the number of words at all because my question is about time. I do like that we notice that it's asking for seconds. That doesn't mean I ignore the minutes. That means I have to convert the minutes to seconds, which is what we talked about yesterday, converting units. How many seconds are in 1 minute? How many seconds are in 1 minute? Noah? 60. So in 2 minutes, I have 120 seconds, and then there's another 17 seconds in Abraham Lincoln's speech, giving me 137 seconds for Abraham Lincoln. Then Martin Luther King Jr., his speech was 17 minutes. So I need to do 17 times 60 to figure out how many seconds that is. You can use any strategy of your choice to do 17 times 60. I did 17 times 6 and added a 0. 7 times 6 is 42. 1 times 6 is 6 plus 4 makes 10. That's 102. And then I'm going to add my 0 because 17 times 60 is 1,020 seconds. Raise your hand if you got this far. Okay. In math, it can mean two different things when we see the words make a comparison. What are the two things that can mean in math? One of the things we might do is what, Harper? Subtract. When we're making a comparison, we subtract. How much taller? How much longer? How much faster? How many more? Those are all comparison words, and they mean to subtract. What is the other thing that we might do when we see the word comparison? Make a comparison. What's the other thing we might do, Claire? Right. We might use the greater than, less than, and equal signs to compare two values. Well, I don't think that's what it's asking for in this question, because down here in the question it says, how many more seconds? So we need to subtract 1,020 minus 137. Sorry. And we get 883 seconds. We can put that into a nice sentence. King's speech was 883 seconds longer than Lincoln's. And you should uppercase King and uppercase Lincoln. Okay, what's your question, Nolan?
I did mine differently.
Okay, hold on. We'll talk about that in just a minute. Connor, what's your question?
Well, right before you started doing that, I actually got the right answer.
Good job. Good job.